Hi, my name is Miss Lee and I'm here with my mum. We're going to be playing Connect 4. And so, let me show you how to play. So first, you just get this thing out, just slides it out. You put that aside. Just pick a colour. Can I go green?
Yeah, of course.
Right, so then you just get your green
I'll go with
or orange.
Yeah.
You'll count it out. And then you're going to get it.
Yeah.
So basically there's like two things there. So you just put it together like that. And then you just put it there.
Yeah.
And you can put your counters in the little places.
Yeah.
And so we're going to do first to 5 wins. So, yeah.
Okay.
Can I go first?
Yeah, you can.
Your turn.
So we need to match 4.
Yeah, first to 4 wins.
Okay.
5 times. So whoever gets 4 in a row 5 times first wins.
Okay. Got it. Alright, wait, please, Miss Ali. Alright.
Just put your finger there if it gets stuck. I find
I'll got it here.
Okay.
What's your plan, Miss Ali?
I'm not going to tell you. I just have to
You
wait
can
and
tell
see.
me about your plan, you know?
No. But you can tell me about your plan. Your turn. Any time now.
Okay, I will... this one.
Ooh.
Okay. This one. So you're green, isn't it?
Yeah, I'm
green.
You're orange.
I'm orange, isn't it?
Yeah. I'm green. And that's orange.
Okay.
Thank you.
Ooh, Miss Lee!
1-0.
I can't believe that, Miss Lee. You beaten by me.
And then to get it off, you just pull back and then you can just sort out your counters.
Do you want to go another way?
Yes.
Another turn?
Just put that back.
You know what?
What?
I like you to win.
Yay!
That's my strategy.
Sportsmanship. Your turn.
Oh, wait, please. Yep.
Just do that or just pat it. That might work.
Are you going to try the same trick?
Maybe,
No.
not.
Maybe not. Maybe not. You green, isn't it?
Yep.
Are you green?
Yeah, I'm green.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Wait. Just. Are you planning to go there?
No.
Oh, are you sure?
Maybe not.
Maybe not.
Because I thought you were going to go like that or like that.
Is
That's
it?
either way.
Is it? Am I?
Or you can go like that, but I'm not going to let you do that.
Thanks for you helping me to win.
You're
Miss
welcome.
Ali.
You're welcome. Great sportsmanship.
Miss Ali.
Anytime
I
now.
can't think about. So you're green, isn't it?
Yeah, I'm green.
Green.
Greenish. It would, yeah, green. Kind of teal.
You know what, Miss Ali? I think you're going to win me.
Yeah.
Are you?
Yeah, I will win. Right. I see what you're trying to do. It's not going to work.
Huh?
I see what you're trying to do. It's not going to work on me.
Did you? I think nobody can win this time, I think.
Maybe,
Do you think?
maybe not. We'll just have to wait and see. Nice try. Nice try. You're not going to get 4 in a row doing that.
Okay, Miss Ellie. It's very trick now. No, I don't want to do that.
Then why have you already got that and you put one there so you can win? You put one there so you can win.
Shall I do this one?
Sure.
For you to win?
Sure. I might let you win, I might not. You just have to wait and see.
Miss Ellie, let me think it. I think nobody win this time, isn't it? Do you think so, Miss Ellie?
Maybe. You might win. Maybe you might not win.
You know what? I will let you win, Miss Ellie.
How? I go like that or I can go like that. I'm stuck in the way.
Why you tell me?
I have 3 in a row, but I can't do it anymore.
Yeah. Oh, I think.
Oh, I mixed it up.
Don't tell your plans, Miss Ellie.
I'm running out of counters.
How? No, you have some.
Oh, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
I think we both not going to win now. Oh no, we have one more row here, isn't it?
Yeah.
Okie dokie.
I'm not very good when it comes to winning Connect 4. I would go 4, but then you'd win.
Yeah.
Because you can go like that.
Yeah, yeah.
If you would have put in an orange, then you would have won. No, I was going to do that.
Yeah? That's why I block you. So you're green, isn't it?
Yeah.
You're green, 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 green. You know what I miss, Miss Ellie? This one. 1, 2, 3, 4.
It's tied.
Miss Ellie.
It's tied. It's tied now.
1, 2, 3, 4. So, who won? Who won?
Well, it's not finished yet.
Right. See you next time.
Not yet, because first to 5.
But we will see you, friends, next video. All right?